Sheikh Ahmad Gumi finally arrested by DSS operatives. According to News Nigeria, controversial Islamic cleric Sheikh Ahmad Gumi have been arrested by the Department of State Security, DSS. It was gathered that the cleric was invited for questioning following his controversial statement about Nigerian army. Recall that Gumi accused army officers of providing weapons and ammunition to bandits. Gumi's arrest supposed to have come for a very long time. I will say that it's coming too late. Is it only when he accused the army that they know that he deserves to be arrested? It's even too small. You see, the accusation he levied on the army is nothing compared to all the unbelievable statements he has been unleashing from that his mouth. What about the allegations he has been levying on the IPOBs as a Boko people? What about the many accusations he has been levying on the innocent Christians, trying to create a war between the bandits and the innocent Christians? What about the many lies? What about the provocative statements? Only when he accused the army that they now know that they will come for his arrest. Gumi is supposed to have been arrested. Gumi is supposed to be in police detention for a very long time. Look at what the broadcasting stations are trending all along. It has been Gumi all along. Throughout yesterday, throughout day before yesterday, it has been Gumi. Gumi this, Gumi that. Just a cleric. I said it from the beginning that this cleric is up to something when he came in and started with the preaching of love. Unknown to people that he has an hidden agenda. And the agenda that he has is the agenda of trying to see how to get the criminal bandits free. It is because of this same Gumi that Buhari granted amnesty to over 400 bandits arrested. It is true because of this same Gumi. And that is when he came in. And this is what Buhari did over 4 consecutive times. He did it over 4 consecutive times. Granted amnesty to these criminal bandits, killers, just because of Gumi. Yeah? And they are saying that he should not be arrested. He is supposed to have been arrested for a very long time. Very long time. You can imagine demanding for his arrest now. It's too late. Fucking too late. This is someone that's supposed to have been in detention. In detention. Gumi, incitation of violence. Okay, they are saying that Nnamdi Kanu is inciting violence. What will you call Gumi's statement? Gumi that just came in not quite long. Not quite long he came in. Look at the many crazy statements that he has made. Eh? Look at the many crazy statements that he has made, and you are delaying his arrest. Why? Why? For what reason? For what reason? They deserve to have been arrested. So this one that they are saying that Gumi is invited, or Gumi is now invited for questioning. All these ones to me are waste of time. They are waste of time. This is someone that's supposed to have been arrested. Eh? Do you know what Gumi has really cost in Nigeria? You know what he has cost in Nigeria? Do you know the crazy negotiation that Gumi has made within the period he has been given opportunities? Do you know? My dear viewers, as I said that it's a waste of time. Gumi supposed to have been arrested for a very long time. For a very, very long time. I keep wondering sometimes if this man truly is a cleric. I'm telling you, I keep wondering because most of the things he does are very, very suspicious. Very suspicious things. Very suspicious things. It does crazy things. Things that won't even believe on. I'm telling you. So, my dear viewers, let us begin to do what we know that is right. Nigerian as a government has not been able to be doing what is right. They have not. Because if Nigerian has been doing what is right, there is no reason why Sheikh Ahmad Gumi would have escaped arrest. He's not supposed to have escaped arrest. Look at. Okay, do you know that what Sheikh Ahmad Gumi has done within the short period that he has came in with his many incitement of violence, for violent statement, is even more than what Nigerian government have been levying on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yet, Sheikh Ahmad Gumi is still allowed to walk free. Okay, if Nigerians have not been lamenting and raising alarm over the arrest of Sheikh Ahmad Gumi, would DSS ever think of inviting him for questioning? Would they? They wouldn't have. That is the biasness we are talking about. Nigerian government, we don't do things exactly when we're supposed to do them. And that is why insecurity in the country is still very much on the high side. That is the reason. And it will continue if nothing fast is done about it. So I'm afraid we are so much behind. So much behind. So I don't know. Well, he has been arrested, but we still need to have question on that. Let me hear from you to know what you have to say about this. If you're new, click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos.